Here we come to the first step for the registration. We go to the single window doc.cn and then go to the standard application and then press register now. And then we come to this page, you select this icon, Overseas Enterprise Registration. And on this page, you have to fill in all the details and fields marked in red. But for this field, it is also compulsory, which is the located country register number, which can be referring to the business registration number approved locally in your country for your company. And then after you have filled in all the details, you can press register now. For the username and password, it is normally released the next day, and then you can try the username and password the next day. After you have got the password and the login name, then you can log in and try to log in the system, and then you can select whether you want to display in English or in Chinese, and then press sign in. After you have logged in, then you can go to the application for register here, and then this part is the 18 categories which need the recommendations from the competent authority in your local country. And then this part is the non-18 categories which the enterprise can register online and do not need any recommendations from the local authority. And then you can take alcoholic beverages as an example, and then we can press fermented wines, for example. And then we come to the first page, basic information. Then you have to fill in all the details marked in red. It is compulsory, like the country, name, contact person, number, etc. And then you have to upload the license allowing your company for production. And then you can upload the certification here. And then this part, you have to add the product you want to export to China, and then fill in all the details marked in red. It is compulsory. For example, the production type, the product you want to export to China, the HS code, the brand, and then the capacity for the annual production, etc. And then you can upload the product picture here in this format, and then press save. And if you have more than one product you want to export to China, then you have to continue the process again. And then this part is the export trade history in the past 2 years. And then press add, and then fill in the export product variety, type of export, and the export country or region, and then press save. But this part is optional, and then you can press next page. And we go to the production related information. Here we come to the raw material and ingredient information, which means that the raw material and ingredient related to your product. And press add. You can select the products you have filled in the previous page, and then fill in the raw material, the country, and then the proportion used in the specific product. And then this part is the production correspondence. And then first you have to select the product you have filled in the previous page, and then fill in the type of affiliated company, whether it is raw material supplier or reprocessing company or others, and then the name of the company, and then whether the company has any registration number in China. If yes, then fill in the number here. And then whether the company has also the registration qualification in China, and then press save. And then this part is related to the production and processing water, whether the product source is municipal water or the enterprise own water source. This part is to see whether the water has been tested to obtain a certain quality for production and processing. And this part is the production process, which is the production flow chart of your product, and you can state the process here, and then you can also upload any documentation you want, but it is optional. The last part is the human resources. You have to state the number of employees in your company, and then the number of management and technicians in the company, and then press next page. And here we come to the declaration information, which the manufacturer has to declare. You can download the template here, and then fill in the export country and fill in the name and position of the legal representative, and then to sign, and then upload the attachment here, and then press next page. We have come to the last part of the registration. You can view all the attachment you have uploaded in the previous pages, and then press preview to check all the information you have filled in the previous pages. And if they are all correct and accurate, you can press submit. But after the submission, you cannot change and update any details anymore, so you have to check carefully. After the submission, you can also check the status of the submission here for integrated query and the application form query, and check your status of the application, and you can see some of the applications here, and then this one is approved. And then if it is approved, you can get the registration number here, and then this is the GACC number, which allows you to export to China for next year. Normally, the procedure will take around 20 working days to get the registration number.